What's better than spending the weekend at Grandma's?
Oh.
There you are, girls. This is the to-do list for today. You can begin. I'm going to rest for now. Don't make any noise. Mary, have you seen this? Mop the floors, make dinner. No way, Penny! Let Grandma do it herself. Look how many outfits she has. Don't push me, Mary. Give it back. No, that's mine! Oops, the old closet couldn't take all this fighting. And it's way bigger than it looked. There's a secret room in here, sis. But first, we have to set up our secret room. Shoe boxes? That's what we need. They make great shelves. All we have to do is attach them to the wall. Let's use paper clips. And now, let's decorate the space. Good thinking, Penny. Grandma has so many fun things. Let's do this. Wow, it's much cuter this way. It's a good thing Grandma sleeps so deeply. That's exactly what we need right now. Sweet dreams, Grandma. And we're taking this blanket. Well done, Penny. And now let's turn the soft blanket into a cozy rug. Let's do this, Mary. And instead of chairs, we use cushions. Soft and comfortable. This seating area is awesome. That's not fair, Penny. Where's my chair? You will have a royal throne, sis. Pull the string. Penny with her pranks again. And where is my throne? Here it is. Make yourself comfortable. Now there's also a beanbag chair in here. The secret room just keeps getting better and better. It's about time we get some rest. Help yourself, Penny. Thanks, sis. But warm soda is gross. And besides, it's kind of hot in the closet. It's time to cool off. What about making a mini fridge? Insulator? Check. Container? Check. Here we go. Scissors, get to work. Let's cut out the parts we need. Attach it to the lid and the inside of the container. Nice job! Done! Take your time, Mary. We need ice. Yay! It's really cold in the fridge now. A couple of minutes later, the drink is cool. That's what I'm talking about. You can never have too much decor. Let's keep decorating. Let's start with flowers. And Mary got her hands on a colorful painting. Oh, Penny has a masterpiece too. Let's not forget entertainment. Sadly, the TV doesn't fit in the closet. But you can have these lights. Let's get lit. The room looks great. I'm hungry, sis. Don't panic, Penny. We have plenty of chips. Too bad they're so far away. But if you have a tape measure, you can handle anything. The chips are here. And now let's upgrade the packaging. Hang it from the ceiling and it's done. See, Penny? It's simple. It works every time. Look, I'm Lala Fan Fan. Isn't that funny? Every closet should have a mirror. Grandma's got so much stuff in here. Here we go. Attach the round mirror to the metal tray. Use hot glue. This is a beauty zone now. But there's so much makeup you can't hold it all in your hands. And Penny's already got a handy life hack ready. All of our makeup things will be magnetic. First, glue the magnets on. And then, move the contents of the makeup bag to the metal mirror. Simple and convenient. This is the best beauty corner ever. Now, all of your makeup is in one place. Very handy. And you can always turn the mirror into a game field. Wanna play, Mary? Yeah, let's see who's best at it. Your turn, sis. But you can't fool Mary. She's a tic-tac-toe champion. Watch and learn, Penny. Grandma can be so boring. It's way more interesting to hang out in the closet. It's you, Bobo. Make yourself comfortable. Oh no, we have our own home. Little Bobo doesn't. Here's an idea, sis. We can make a doghouse out of old hangers. Cut it open and unbend. Do the same with another hanger. Connect them and you're done. We forgot something, Mary. What about soft walls? Let's make them out of this cozy sweatshirt. Do you like it, buddy? Of course he does. Every puppy would love a palace like this. We did it, sis. No chores from Grandma or homework in the closet. Only snacks and cold soda. This is freedom. But it wouldn't hurt to have some fun. It's a little boring in here. Why don't we make a basketball hoop, Mary? Right out of this box. Challenge accepted. Cut out a circle from one side. Wow! And attach the hoop to the wall. Looks stylish. But the ball is missing, so we use empty cans. Ready? Bullseye! And when we run out of cans, we use containers from chips. Stop, Penny. Look what we did. Turns out basketball is such a messy game. We'll have to quit. The hoop can be our trash can. All you need is a bag. And now we better clean up. That's better. The closet house has to stay clean. Grandma is fast asleep, and it's so infectious. Mary wouldn't mind a little sleep either. But it's kind of cold in the closet. We'll warm you up now, Mary. Granny's clothes would be fine as a blanket. All we have to do is staple things together. Tie up the sleeves, just a little more. Hold on, Mary. The blanket is ready. Sweet dreams, sis. A nap is a great idea. I should be more like my sister. I wish I could just stay here. It's so comfy and cozy. But you can't go anywhere without fun pranks. Penny is about to pull a first-class prank. Let's get in the beanbag chair. Where are you, Penny? That's weird. She was here a second ago. I imagined it. Penny will probably be back soon. I just wish the chair would stop moving. I don't know what I'm seeing. Looks like Mary overworked herself. Boo! Please don't touch me, chair! Something is seriously wrong here. Furniture can't talk. It must be Penny pranking me again. Penny, can't you do any better than that? Our grandmother knows a lot about fashion. Mary, do you like it? Penny, you look just like Grandma. Now try this one. It looks classy. So, Grandma used to know a thing or two about trends. Except there's a stain. That's no good. The jacket has to be saved. And Mary knows a great life hack. A marker, some paints, and brushes. That's all it takes. Use a stencil to draw a star on the jacket. Then paint over it. The stain is gone. Draw a few more stars. Go over the outlines. The star jacket is as good as new. Penny, it's yours now. Do you like it? Thank you, Mary. It's so cool. Now you can go to a party. The favorite TV show is sacred. The only thing missing is a screen for Penny. Mary, I can't see. You should have said so. Now, we're gonna make a stand for a tablet. And we can use the hanger again. Put the tablet in the case and use the clamp to secure it to the hanger. Turn on the show, Mary. The show's starting. This is no longer a closet, but a cozy home theater. Sleep, Grandma. In the meantime, we'll have a party. Ready, Penny? You bet. Turn up the music, sis. Wait, where are our friends? It's a party without guests. Here they are. Let's have fun, guys. We'll dance all night. Just don't wake Grandma up. Guys, come with us to the closet. This area is adult-free. This is fun. The music is too much, though. Oops, I think Grandma's awake. What's going on here? Uh-oh, my beloved granddaughters have done something bad. Time to teach the kids a lesson. Oops, guys, be quiet. But this party won't stop. It looks like the sisters are going to be in big trouble.